Hey everyone, I'd like to talk about this food waste composer by Ouaken, and model is JF601A. It's an amazing product. We have a lot of food waste and we would like to reduce it and be more eco-friendly. So you have 3 modes, smart modes with this. It neutralizes odors at a large capacity, 4 liters, runs below 40 decibel, which is very important because we're gonna keep it in the kitchen. Crush mode takes 3 to 8 hours, depends on how much food and what kind of food you put it in. Fertilizer mode, it's 12 to 17 hours, so it takes some time, but it's worth it. And you can eliminate most of your kitchen waste. Obviously you don't put it plastic or metal or something like that, but it's small and compact enough to put it in your kitchen. It's and it's odor free, which is very important for us too. We don't want to have smelly kitchen. And no any other mess, so it's easy to clean up. Just amazing product itself. You can it's up to 90% waste reduction, which is very amazing. It's using high temperature drying, grinding, and cooling method. It's odor free. There's you have to change the filter every 1,000 hours, and it's satisfaction guarantee. Then you can contact the customer service, they're gonna help you with everything, so you are not left alone after you purchase this product. There is a customer behind it, customer service behind it. Highly recommend it. I already have one of these previously, owned by my family member, so it was highly recommended, so we decided to try it out. I'm gonna do some unboxing, and then I'm gonna do review, a few pictures and video, so let's get started. You have a user manual. I recommend it to read it. Okay, so there's some warning. Again, I would recommend it to read electric composer using manual. So you have some instructions. So warning: the machinery surface becomes very hot during the operation. So don't please touch the glass. You can easily get burned. And here, warning: remove this sticker before use. Failure to remove might cause machine failure. So again, remember, flip this off, and warning: do not touch, because this surface has become hot too, so keep away your hands, or kids' hands, doesn't matter. And you have a crush, ferment, and clean, so, and the power. So you have different modes. Let's unlock it. It's right here, and again it says warning: pitch point and hot surface. So there's a bin right here, and if you want to guys look inside, there. So you put the pin, there is a mark right there, arrow. You have to match the arrow right there, and it slides in. Same here, you have an arrow of unlock, and you lock it. That's it.
Hey everybody, so this is a new purchase that was recommended to me by a friend, and it's the Ouaken food composter. We had one that slowly died and we ordered this one. Unfortunately, it didn't get here before we left at Christmas, but that means I got a lot of stuff that I'm going to give it a shot for its maiden voyage. Looks pretty simple. I read the manual. The manual doesn't have a lot in it, but there's a power button. And then you have this crush button, which we're going to try tonight. This is the ferment button, and this is the clean button. So there's only 3 buttons. It's pretty simple. So let's see. We'll load it up. Let's take the lid off. And just start putting stuff in. Here we go. A little bit of mix. There we go. Right. That'll keep it busy. Cool. Alright. So we'll let this thing fire up and go through a cycle, and then maybe tomorrow, if it's done, we'll be able to take a look and I'll add on to the video. So let's see how noisy it is. Okay, let's try it again. And there it goes. I guess that's about the excitement you get to see. You see it's all starting to turn. So it's going to go through a cycle, and it'll work its way until it's done. And we'll see what we get. And I'll add on to the video and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so this started last night, earlier in the video, and I was trying to get an idea how long it was going to take, but by the time I went to bed, it looked like it was getting closer and closer, but it really was really moist looking when I went to bed. Now it has ran through one cycle. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. Oh my. Wow, this is really a hefty duty bucket. Let's see if I can pour it out here. My goodness. So that took like 4 1-gallon Ziploc bags and made that. Wow, that was really nice. Okay, compared to my old one, this is night and day. So this will now go in the main composter outside. And wow, talk about a space saver. Awesome. All right, so far 5 out of 5.
I just received my new Ouaken indoor composter. The instructions seem very easy to use. Rotate the lid, remove that. Inside is the pot that it goes into. I have some brown material, which I'll be adding. These are just dried leaves, pine needles, little sticks, things from outdoors. I'm going to layer it with a little bit of my green material, peelings from Thanksgiving sweet potatoes, a little more brown material. I also have some coffee grounds and a coffee filter that actually I believe is considered brown materials as well. Add a few more greens materials onto the top. And that's it. I'm going to then put the cover back on, rotate it, has a little lock symbol here and here, so you make sure you have things lined up properly. I'm going to plug it in now. And for this first batch, I'm going to turn the power on and put it on crush. It's starting to work right away, and you see this stuff spinning around inside. It is a very quiet unit. I would have no problem running this even during the night. And now I will have to wait until the composting is finished. Once that's done, I will submit a picture of the finished product.
So this is the electric kitchen composter. The packaging it came in with was pretty firm. The product weighs approximately around 15 pounds and also comes in with a user manual with very clear instruction to use. And if you look at the product, it's not too complicated to use. Probably a good tool for somebody who believes in recycling kitchen waste. And overall, the dimension of it is very compact, not too big, not too small, and fits easily in your kitchen. So yeah, I mean, so far I'm liking it, the look of it, and the appearance. So it looks good.